Today the greatest single source of wealth is between your ears. Never assume you understand. Ask the questions. Continuous learning is the minimum requirement for success in any field. Be clear about your goal, but be flexible about the process of achieving it. Practice the philosophy of continuous improvement. Get a little bit better every single day. The key to success is to focus our conscious mind on things we desire, not things we fear. Every great move forward in your life begins with a leap of faith, a step into the unknown. Time management requires self-discipline, self-mastery and self-control more than anything else. Self-esteem and self-love are the opposites of fear. The more you like yourself, the less you fear anything. Successful people are simply those with successful habits. There is never enough time to do everything, but there is always enough time to do the most important thing. Luck is predictable. The harder you work, the luckier you get. Failing to plan means planning to fail. What are your goals? Time is your most precious resource. Make every minute count. Never settle for anything less than your best. Make your life a masterpiece. Imagine no limitations on what you can be, have or do. You become what you think about most of the time. Nobody works better under pressure, they just work faster. Always give without remembering, and always receive without forgetting. Your life only gets better when you get better. To earn more, you must learn more. A goal without a plan is only a dream. An attitude of positive expectation is the mark of the superior personality. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment. Tell me which quotes you like the most.